So my ex-boyfriend and I had been together since our college days. तो एक दिन जब मैंने उसे कमिटमेंट के बारे में पूछा तो उसने कहा कि वो शादी नहीं करना चाहता. Following that हमारी झगड़ा हुई, we fought a lot and thus we ended our 5-year relationship. तो ब्रेकअप के बाद I started focusing on building my career. I started spending more time with myself, my family, with my friends, and I was like, going on solo trips. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, मेरे पेरेंट्स ने मुझे शादी के बारे में सोचने को बोला. Well, I wasn't really ready obviously, but बहुत कहने पर मैं मान गई. तो I created an account on a matrimonial website. तो क्या हुआ कि मैंने काफ़ी लोगों के साथ बात करी, but it just didn't click with anyone. I couldn't find a perfect match for me. तो क्या हुआ, I just stopped checking the site after some time. एक दिन मैंने अपना अकाउंट खोला और आनंद नाम के एक यूज़र का एक मैसेज आया. He lived in the same city as I did. He had a very good position in a reputed company, and obviously his profile was much impressive than the others I had talked with. मैंने आनंद के मैसेजेस का रिप्लाई किया और हमने बात करनी शुरू करी. After a few days, we also exchanged numbers. So soon we were talking like, almost every day, hours. He was everything that a woman would ever want to know. And he was polite, he was respectful to my parents, his thoughts matched mine, so I thought he was good for me. हम दोनों घंटों तक बात करते थे, जैसे कि हमारे करियर्स के बारे में, हमारे एस्पिरेशंस के बारे में, how we would like to spend our future together. उसने मुझे बताया कि उसके रिलेटिव्स ने उसके डैड को धोखा दिया. कुछ तो हुआ था which I don't exactly remember, and he also told that his dad passed very soon after that incident. He also talked about his mother, how she had been sick for quite some time. I insisted on meeting her, but due to her condition he refused at the time. Then I also stopped asking for a while. Everything was going great, We had been now talking for months. Every day we used to talk for hours, and I was very happy. I never doubted anything about him. I never doubted his, sincerity towards our relationship. But क्या हुआ कि एक दिन it all came crashing. उसको जॉब से निकाल दिया था और उसी टाइम आनंद की माँ भी हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट हो गई. I wanted to help him out obviously, but he never asked for anything. तो नेक्स्ट डे मुझे रात को 3 बजे आनंद का कॉल आया. वो बस रोए जा रहा था. आई वॉज आस्किंग हिम व्हाई आर यू क्राइंग, व्हाट वेंट रॉन्ग. तो रोते हुए ही कॉल्ड मी अप वन डे और उसने बताया कि उसके सारे पैसे ख़त्म हो गए हैं एंड ही डिडंट नो हाउ टू लुक आफ्टर हिमसेल्फ और हिज मदर. आई वॉज शॉक्ड. After talking to my family, I offered him money and as a loan obviously, that he could return it once his conditions had been stable. उसने सारा पैसा अपने एक अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र करने को बोला. We did that. हमें कभी कोई शक भी नहीं हुई and we prayed so that his mother gets well soon. फिर कोविड आया एंड एज यू नो नेचुरली कोविड पैंडमिक के वक्त हमारे कुछ फाइनेंशियल डिफ़िकल्टीज़ होने लगे एंड इट वाज बिकमिंग डिफ़िकल्ट डे बाय डे. आई मीन इट वाज बिकमिंग डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर अस टू मेक आवर ends meet. I spoke to Anand. I told him how we couldn't pay more as we had already, out of more or less, so far as I remember, it was 10 lakhs. We had given him money multiple times into many tests and treatments needed for his ailing mother. So one day he apologized to me and he said that he would figure it out on his own. And that was, I guess that was the last day that I had ever spoken to him. पर उसके बाद फिर मैंने उसे कॉल किया, उसे बहुत सारे टेक्स्ट किए एंड इट जस्ट वेंट अनआंसर्ड. सो दैट वाज द टाइम कि मुझे एक्चुअली में शक होने लगा दैट समथिंग इज़ वेरी मच रॉन्ग. आई कॉल्ड हिम सेवरल टाइम्स बट आई कुडंट गेट इन टच विथ हिम. सो सोशल मीडिया में तो आई कुड नॉट फाइंड हिम. आई सर्च डेस्परेटली, आई सर्च एवरीवेयर बट I could not find him and there was no common friend between me and him, so there were no friends and colleagues and I did not know what to do. So finally I discussed it with my parents and they were more experienced than we are and finally we realized what had actually happened to us. So हमने एक report दर्ज करवाई and the whole incident still feels like a nightmare. Just a wastage of my valuable time, money, energy, and most importantly, my parents My parents had got a deep shock after this, and I'm still terrified about matrimonial websites.
Matrimonial frauds are a new way using which scammers con users. The victims get duped not only financially but emotionally as well. Imagine meeting your ideal partner only to find out later that they took you for a ride only to steal from you. Such incident could be devastating. Dating online is not bad. There are so many success stories, but it is very important to do a thorough background check before you decide to take the jump. Trust is something very precious and should be given only to those who are worth it. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, reach out to your family members and law enforcement immediately. For more details, log on to www.cyberpeace.org. Till then, stay safe and stay secure.